What did someone do that made you realize they were a genius in disguise? In my sophomore year of college, I shared a group project with a guy named Marcus. On paper, he was a disaster. Showed up late, never responded to texts. During meetings, he'd just sip iced coffee and scroll on his phone. Everyone in our group was furious. We were building a prototype for an engineering design competition, and while the rest of us stayed up all night wiring circuits and debugging code, Marcus just nodded and said, "Looks good, y'all. Keep it up." One girl even threatened to report him to the professor for freeloading. The night before our final presentation, chaos hit. The code broke. The power supply overheated. Our motor control system wouldn't respond. We panicked. Someone cried. I was on the verge of giving up when Marcus strolled in, late as usual, holding a smoothie. He looked at the mess for 10 seconds, then said, "Oh, I can fix that." We all glared at him. You? You don't even know what half this wiring does." He just smirked. "You're using PWM on the wrong frequency band. That's why the signal's stuttering. And the H-bridge circuit's grounded wrong." Then he sat down, rewrote the code from scratch, rerouted the wiring, and even optimized our build for efficiency. In less than 2 hours. The next morning, we demoed our project in front of a panel of engineers. They said it was one of the most efficient designs they'd ever seen at an undergraduate level. Afterwards, I finally asked Marcus, "Okay, how? How do you know all this if you never show up?" He shrugged. "I used to intern at a robotics firm in high school. Most of this stuff is pretty basic. I just didn't want to step on anyone's toes." Turns out he was already patenting a drone design and taking grad-level courses online just for fun. If you've ever misjudged someone who turned out to be 10 steps ahead, smash that like button. Because sometimes, the quietest person in the room already has the answers, we're just too loud to notice.